Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by confirming basics that stop many full-screen ads. First, open Google Play Protect and run a scan. This catches known adware. Next, review recently installed apps and uninstall any you don't recognize. Adware often arrives via sideloads. Then, go to Settings Apps, find the app showing ads, and disable its notifications. Once done, you'll cut off the most common ad vectors and prepare the device for targeted fixes. Now you'll remove persistent ad behavior with targeted permissions and network controls. Open each suspect app and revoke, appear on top, and other dangerous overlays, because those let apps show full-screen ads. Next, restrict background data and battery usage so apps can't fetch ads constantly. Then set private DNS to an ad-blocking provider or install a trusted DNS app. This blocks ad domains system-wide. Make sure to reboot after change. To finish, clear cache and data for any offending apps and reset your advertising ID in Settings Google to stop targeted ads. Make sure your system and apps are updated. Security patches prevent exploits used to deliver ads. If pop-ups persist, consider a clean boot, uninstall recently added apps, then test. As a last resort, back up important files and perform a factory reset. This removes deeply embedded adware. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to confirm whether a third-party app is the source.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.